Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get 3D bitmoji on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Snapchat like I am doing. And you need to update your Snapchat application. So it will take few seconds to update my Snapchat. So once it gets completed, I'm going to show you how you can get the 3D bitmoji on Snapchat. So it will take few seconds to complete. So here you can see that my Snapchat is now up to date. So you must need to update your Snapchat, either you are on Android or iOS. So now you can see that my Snapchat is completely up to date. It will take few more seconds to complete the installation process. As you can see that once it got completed, I'm going to show you how you can proceed further to get. So now you click on open, and here you need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and here you need to scroll this list down. So let me scroll this, and here you see change outfit, share outfit, pose and background. So you can select different background and you can select different poses to give it a 3D look. So this is a process by which you can get 3D bitmoji. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.